Alliance Manufacturing continually works towards process improvement and developing technologies that keep us competitive in the parts washer market. A key factor in each of our product lines is ease of maintenance, like the hinged cleanout doors. Hinged cleanout doors offer quick and easy tank access for cleaning as opposed to traditional bolt-on doors. Bolt-on cleanout doors are practical, but they require more time to remove and replace. Because many of our past customers have machines with bolt-on doors, we wanted to devise a solution for these customers. Thus, we engineered an upgrade option to add a hinged cleanout door to the existing tank opening for a bolt-on door. The hinged door comes with an installation kit, making it easy to install the first time. Step 1. Remove bolts from the existing door and set them aside. Step 2. Remove the existing door and gasket. Step 3. Place the new gasket over the tank opening. Step 4. Add the base of the hinged door and replace bolts. Step 5. Close the door and tighten the latches. Once installed, the customer can see a substantial time savings in the ability to quickly access the tank for cleaning and maintenance. Thank you for watching this Alliance Clean Take. For more information, contact us today.